आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, the question is, the following data were obtained at a certain temperature for the decomposition of ammonia in contact with catalyst. Okay, so here the data is given to us and we need to tell the order of the reaction is. And your options are given 2, 3, 1 and 4. Okay, so in the question they are saying that at certain temperature the ammonia is getting decomposed in contact with a catalyst. It is undergoing decomposition. The pressure is given 25 and 50 and that means half-life is given 1.82 at step 1. This is for the step 1. Okay, and this is for step 2 you can say. So the half-life for step 1 is 1.82 and for step 2 is 0.91. So we need to tell what is the order of the reaction, and we know that what is the relation between the half-life and the pressure. It is T half-life. It is inversely related to the pressure P naught, that is P naught is nothing but the initial pressure, alright, to the power n minus 1, or you can simply say pressure. Okay, it's not necessarily initial pressure, you can also say pressure, the value of the pressure. Okay, so half-life is inversely related to the pressure to the power n minus 1, where your n is nothing but the order of the reaction. Alright, so now let's put the values of these into this formula and we can easily get. Okay, so let's put the value of first step into this formula. So you will get this. So when you put the first value, your half-life is what? 1.82. So you will get 1.82. Let's remove the proportionality sign and put a proportionality constant. So you can put T half is equals to K 1 upon P to the power n minus 1. Okay, like this. T half is equals to K, that is your proportionality constant, and 1 by P naught to the power n minus 1. Okay, so now similarly I'm putting the value here 1.82 on the half-life of first step and equals to K, your proportionality constant, which means nothing here. Okay, it gets cut up in the when I divide the step 1, when I divide the values. Okay, the K will get cut, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's 1 by P naught. So 1 by P naught is what? P naught is pressure, that is 25 for the step 1. So you'll put 1 upon 25 to the power n minus 1. We need to calculate n minus 1, so it will remain as it is. Now, so this is your first one. Okay, now the second one you will see here. Now in the second one, second one is this one. Okay, so let's put the values here. So it will be like this. Your 0.91 is equals to K 1 upon 50 to the power n minus 1. Okay, now divide. So now let's put the values. 1 divided by 2. So you will get 1.82 divided by 0.91 as the values of T half. Then your K and K will get cancelled. Right? K upon K, and your this value was 1 upon 25 to the power n minus 1. And with this one you had 1 upon 50 to the power n minus 1, right? So again the K and K gets cancelled, and 0.91 if you cut it, you will be like 0.91 2, right? Like this. So you can say, you can put it like this: 2 is equals to, this 50 will go up, 25 will go down, right? And the powers are same, so you can take the power common. So you can write 50 divided by, what is this, 25 to the power n minus 1, right? Powers is same, so I have taken it common. So you can write it like this. Now again 25 multiplied by 2 is 50, so you will get 2 is equals to 2 to the power n minus 1, right? And 2 has power here of 1, so base is same, right? So what you will get here, you can cut the bases and you can get 1 is equals to n minus 1. So solve this equation, what you will get? When you solve this equation, you put minus 1 here to this. So you get n, value of n is 2. That means this reaction is second order reaction, right? N was what? N was order of the reaction. So N is coming out to be 2. So thus the order of the reaction is 2. That is, this is a second order reaction. Thus, your correct answer is A, that is second order reaction. Alright. So A is your correct answer. Second order reaction. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।